Hi everyone, I am Anhendan. Welcome to my One Man Army tutorial video. One Man Army contains three top trending AI agents on the planet, and these three AI agents will work for you or will work for your client, and you can charge your clients for a monthly recurring income. Now this is the One Man Army sign in page. Now I already enter my credentials and click sign in. Now this is the One Man Army dashboard. From you can see here, you can see that three bots: paperclip, OpenClaw, and Hermes. And these three bots is most trending on the internet today. The open routers number one AI agent was Hermes, and these three bots will work for your business or will work for your client business, and you can also charge them. I saw how these three bots work in real time. Click this, create your first bot. Now paperclip, set up paperclip. Now give it a name. Command mission. Now I accept the acceptable use policy. Now click create instance. Now our paperclip bot is generating. Now create another bot. Now open claw bot. Now click this I accept the acceptable use policy. Now click create instance. The open claw bot is already generating. Now click this create another bot. Now for Hermes bot, set up Hermes. Now I click the I set accept the use policy. Now click create instance. Look at this guys. Top 3 AI agents I created in under 1 minute. These three will handle the Docker API access, 24/7 hosting, security, updates, maintenance, and everything will handle these three bots. Now I click this paperclip bot open. Now click this open instance. See guys, this is the paperclip dashboard. So now create the goal. Now click this add goal. The task. Now create goal. Now our goal was created. Now click this new issue. New issue and I add description. I add description. For assignee is CEO. So CEO will do this work. Now click this create issues. Now the CEO, click the CEO. See guys, our team is now running. Now I just enter yes. I click the send. See guys, now this is looks very good, right? Now we check another bot. Now click this OpenClaw. Now click open dashboard. OpenClaw is a field operator like see. I enter Find me two dentists in New York who need AI automation to their find me two dentist phone numbers and websites in New York who need AI human to their business. The guys created. See guys, this is very good, right? This is the prospect list and people sells list like this. So this AI find list in under 1 minute, right? Now check out the last bot, Hermes. Hermes bot is the memory bot. Now, now enter. See guys, the Hermes bot did not deploy, but it will deploy later, guys. So guys, this is the three bots I just created in under 1 minute, and I also walked through the software AI agents, how these AI agents work. So now I want to tell you something, guys. These three bots will work for you or work for your client to set AI automations like this. I show you in this video, and you can charge a monthly income, and businesses will happily pay $300 to $1,000 with these AI automations, because API access cost money, and updates cost money, maintenance cost money, hosting cost money, and Docker cost money. So businesses will happily pay every month for this AI setup. Okay guys, this is my one man army tutorial. Now I want to show you something. This is my one man army bonuses. If you purchase one man army through my link in the description below, you can also get extra bonuses from my end, and all the bonuses available on your JVG purchase dashboard next to your purchase product. And if you want to know what are the extra bonuses you will get, so I put this bonus page link in the description below, so you can check what are the extra bonuses you will get. Okay guys, you will need to see one paperclip video and one OpenClaw video and one Hermes video. Then you will get a very good knowledge about these three AI agents. You can get an idea how you can make money with these three AI agents. So guys, thank you for watching my review. Please like this video and click the subscribe button for more review videos like this. We'll see you in the next video, guys.